My name is James Michael Hughes, and I am here today to talk about the operation that I had to replace my left hip. And by the way, I'm doing very well. When you go to the website at Optim and you find out about Dr. Wu and his background and how long he's been involved in this, you really get a sense that here's somebody that you can put your trust in and you can come out with good results. I'm really appreciative of the whole staff of Optim. You know, they've been really good. Not only Dr. Wu, but the scheduler, and then the people who said, we'll take care of the insurance. You know, and they're the ones that went to my insurance carrier and got the approval, you know. So I didn't have to go through that whole hedge. Really saved me a lot. I am so pleased that I am living at a time when this type of surgery is available to a person my age. That is just, you know, that's miraculous in itself.